It is my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the 7th edition of BE Penang 2022. Since BE Penang's inception in 2016, it has been our annual tradition to convey a different messaging through the theme each year. This year's theme, Be Forward, aims to break down and further discuss the opportunity to level up business events while also allowing participants to gain an in-depth knowledge. The pandemic clearly changed the business landscape as fundamental transformation is fiercely happening and ought to happen in the near future. Undoubtedly, the business events have also been seeing a shift in algorithm, and BE Penang is here to give every insight and ammo to embrace the future.
The return of BE Penang 2022 in person is definitely, undoubtedly a step in the right direction towards achieving the same level of success to bring BE forward and let us get this BE Penang as a platform for knowledge sharing, networking and opportunity for all.
As you are aware, Penang has always been adopting technological advancements, especially in the manufacturing industry. This will be a good knowledge sharing session to further explore automation possibilities in the service industry.
We share the same interests and then we share the same industry partners. So it's important for us to keep on the network.
There is so many speakers from different regions and the different the field of industry. So that is good because you also covered by the sustainability and the digitalization and the legacy and the many the things is very trendy, and the people make a speech on that, and also it's kind of knowledgeable and the reputational. It's good.
I think the excitement or the inspiration actually comes from the energy of being in the people with the same mindset. We're all in the business events industry and we are all people. So we feed off each other's energy, each other's ideas, and that's what's great about BE in Penang.
I'd like to congratulate PCEB on their excellent job, and it's very exciting to engage with many industry colleagues who are sharing best practices. They're involved in knowledge exchange, and I think it's very important.
BE Penang enables us to be in front of the leading decision makers based across Asia who attend the conference. We're able to network very closely with them. That's other events don't enable us to. And also it provides lead generation for us as well as an organisation to help new clients achieve their goals in the work that they're trying to do in attracting inward events and investments locally.
What I've seen is that, especially now in Penang, in the Penang state, they are making a lot of initiatives, they are making a lot of guidelines, they establish a framework. So I'm happy to see that, and I'm happy to promote this destination in the future, given the green lane.